In this video, I'm going to explain how to use the ing ending. The first examples are going to show present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Okay? She is reading a book. They were swimming in the pool. He will be traveling next week. So all these examples are showing a continuous action or an action in the future with the example of the future continuous. And the next examples, all right, describing activities. So these aren't actions that are being done at the particular time, but they're describing actions, activities that are done frequently. Okay, so running is good for your health. She enjoys painting. His favorite hobby is fishing. All right, so once again, not actions that are being done at the time, but actions that are done frequently. And as an adjective, all right, my trip to Brazil was very exciting. The dog was barking all night. All right, so describing a noun. Okay, so just some examples on how to use the ing ending. This is Omar Medley from Language Medley. Like, subscribe. Hopefully that was helpful.